Hi everyone, in this video we're going to take in-depth look on AcuRite 00333 thermometer with clip. Dimension. Features and benefits. All-purpose utility clip. Current temperature. Minute or max. How to power on. Power on. Placement. How to reset. Minute or max reset. Battery. Replace the battery. Gently squeeze the tabs located at the bottom of the thermometer to pull out the battery compartment drawer. Remove and safely discard the old battery. See disposal safety info included. Insert a new CR2032 battery, paying close attention to the polarity markings. Gently insert the battery drawer back into the thermometer. Safety of battery. Please dispose of old or defective batteries in an environmentally safe way and in accordance with your local laws and regulations. Battery safety. Warning. Battery low warning. Inaccurate temperature readings. No display or screen is blank. Signal loss. Fluctuating readings. Specifications. Troubleshooting. For more updates, subscribe to our channel.